Okay, day 4 of my crazy week. No, day 4 of learning to use your insights and watching your page grow. So I'm going to go and share the fitness center page that I had started working on yesterday, I believe, with y'all. So let me get to that page. And also the insights on an Android phone, at least on a Facebook page, on an Android phone, on the mobile menu, there are 3 buttons at the top, and one of them looks like a bar graph, on mine at least. That is your insights on your page there. I'll get to the group soon. I haven't checked that just yet, but so I'm going to navigate to my insights here. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. And I'm going to actually take this down to just today. Actually, I wanted to go yesterday. Just yesterday. To see the number of people that we reached when we shared those posts. Remember, this page didn't have very much activity on it. And yesterday I actually shared some posts, so let's go over here and take a look at them. And with just the few shares that I did, these 2 posts reached over 600 people. Now, if I were doing that 3 to 5 times a day, imagine the results I'd have. I can show you back in the overview, if we go over the course of a month, that the page isn't always this slow. We've reached almost 3,000 people this month with posts, and that's with very little effort on my part. So if you're actually applying yourself and focusing and learning, applying what you learn, and doing this multiple times a day, then you're going to triple, quadruple, just blow these numbers out of the water easy. And sales is a numbers game. You do want to reach as many people as possible in order to make sales. If you reach 100 people a day, you're lucky if you make 1 sale. So keep that in mind, that you do want these numbers to be high. But the purpose of this training series is to show you that you are reaching people even if you feel you're not. Okay, and this is one of the places that you can find that out. And the other purpose is to get you more in touch and engaged with your target audience. So, and that brings us to today's lesson, where I want you to take the stats we looked at here. For instance, my peak time here is around 7 o'clock on Friday. Probably 7 o'clock on many days, usually the very early morning hours and the evening hours, and then a later evening hours around 10 and such are the busiest times. So what I want you to do is I want you to find your peak day and your peak time, and I want you to schedule some posts that you think will perform well with your target audience for those days. You don't have to schedule every single day. Just pick the ones where you peaked out quite a bit. Like Wednesday seemed to look good here, and then Friday, of course, was the busiest. So schedule some of what you would think would be your best posts for those times, and I want you to schedule, so if you're doing Wednesday and Friday, I want you to schedule Wednesday and Friday, 3 posts in the morning, 3 posts in the afternoon, 3 posts in the evening, and I want you to do this for the month. Every Wednesday and every Friday, 3 posts in the morning, 3 posts in the afternoon, 3 posts in the evening. If you can't get this all scheduled immediately, that's fine. I understand that. Just do it as quick as you can. And then on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, I want you to specifically be sure to go to your page and share those posts. You should still be posting and sharing every day. But for those of us that have a limited schedule, I want you to focus Wednesday and Friday, or whichever your 2 peak days are, and share the heck out of the posts that you scheduled that had posted there. And yes, you should be sharing in the morning when those posts go out. You should be sharing in the afternoon when those posts go out. And you should be sharing in the evening when those posts go out, to the best of your ability and depending on your schedule. So that's pretty much it for day 4. I want you to start getting yourself out there and using your insights to target your audience. So keep an eye on your people. Make sure that your target isn't changing unbeknownst to you due to you reaching more people. This could very well happen. So make sure you take a look in here and make sure you know where your fans are coming from and who you're speaking to, who your audience actually is. It might not be who you think it is. So come take a look at your insights and find out who it actually is. Tomorrow I'm going to kind of dive into some of the group insights and how you can use those. I know we focus mainly on pages, but that's because they have the best insights as far, as I believe. It's my opinion. But I just want to educate you guys some on the group insights as well, so we'll go over that tomorrow. And then I'll give you a couple of bonuses. A blog post you can read that will explain a little bit more about the posting multiple times a day and whatnot. And a 7 Steps to Success blog post, if you haven't read these, that you can read. It's kind of a checklist, the 7 steps to more sales, I believe is actually what it's called. I am pushing my bedtime. It's past 10 o'clock, usually in bed by now, but it's been a rough week and it's only Tuesday. So I'm hoping that the majority of it is over. And if not, it doesn't matter. I'll be here tomorrow with day 5. So I hope to see you then. And really let me know how you're doing. Show me your insights in the comments. That's still your homework, is to leave a post of your insights in the comments so we can all see how you've grown or haven't grown. And in that case, maybe we need to chat and see what we can do to get your posts and your page and your groups on the right track so that you are growing. So until tomorrow, I bid you a fond farewell evening.